Okay, we talked about women. Now we're gonna talk about men, dude. I'm going off. Yeah. So men, right? Hmm. What it is to be a man? Every man wants to be a man, manly, or not every because some people are fruity. Yeah, but they are just delusional. Hmm. Yeah. Like relationship, like whatever, dude. Let's talk about men. Okay. So, man, you know, a lot of men of today, they just don't fit in to society or don't have a place. They're being shoved away, and that's really disturbing because man is supposed to have a place in society. That's what that's his place. But if society doesn't give him a chance, doesn't give him a place or function in society, then what's there left for him to do? To be an outcast, to be miserable, right? Because a lot of positions in society have been replaced with women, which are supposed to be at home, taking care of the household, of children, of their parents, or stuff like that, you know. And not women don't belong in society. Let's be real here. Yeah. So it's on purpose. So men just lose their way. They yeah, they just don't have anything to do, and they cannot be appreciated appropriately because um, women just are feminine. Like the feminism made them cray cray, and yeah, women. All men need to be fulfilled is to be appreciated for what they do, for them being themselves and fulfilling their duties. A life of a man is a life of servitude. That's what fulfills him. He he would die for the things that he loves, the things that he sees meaning in, for a greater purpose, for the future. It's just how men are, and that's just the nature of testosterone, right? That's why they are abolishing, like demolishing, destroying all testosterone in all men. That's why you can see that more like girls are being born because of all this estrogenization. Like even the chemicals in water make frogs gay. Shout outs to Alex Jones. But yeah, they're feminizing the population. So testosterone is like Bitcoin or like super. Like that's why you should be testosterone maxing because it's so valuable. It affects the way you live, behave, act, everything. And like yeah, it affects your life so much. If you don't have enough of it, you are gonna live like a bitch, dude. Let me tell you, for real. It might ruin your chances with women, with everything, because you're gonna be acting like a woman when you're not supposed to. Things go well for us when we are in our essence, in our prime state. As men or women in their feminine uh, state, and men in their manly state, right? And a lot of these positions that men would be respected for in society were replaced by institutions, just corporations, right? Like service, or like, you know, providing goods, um, just a judicial system where you would decide what's going to happen, um, government, right? Governing the society, policing, um, I don't know, firefighting, whatever, rescuing. All of this has been industrialized, and the workers are being underpaid, and women just take it as granted. And men need appreciation. Nobody appreciates what they do in society. It's taken as granted. It's just, here's your salary. That's what you're working for. But it's just slave money. It's not enough even. Right. So to be a man, yeah, why men are invisible is because they don't provide anything to society, and that's where they would get validation from in a non-corrupt world or system. They would be getting rewarded for what how much they contribute to society. They would get validation for their status, for their contribution to society. Even um, why masculine men are being respected is because they are fulfilling their gender role, right? If they are masculine, or like, yeah, then they can protect the society, the women, the people that need protection. Like, you can police the society when a disruption comes, when deviation erupts, and you also show that you the testosterone, right? Testosterone pushes you to put effort for what matters to you, for what you're determined for. So it shows that you can determine to do something and actually do it. So that's admirable, right? Just fulfilling the role of a man. But yeah, that's just why women admire men that are in shape, and people of high status, right? You know, impact on society, uh, right? A celebrity, right? Impact on society. Um, yeah. What else? Just yeah, the validation from women and the validation from the world are basically the same thing. Like, they come to you. You shouldn't be seeking it because, yeah. One more thing: if you didn't put any effort on developing yourself and you desire something, it's very repulsive because you don't deserve it. And be seeking, you know, trying for something that you don't deserve, that's so repulsive. You need to earn it by putting in effort, you know? It's like the bread and butter for a man to go for what he wants and actually put in the work. But if he doesn't do that, doesn't uh, like isn't in touch with his essence, then why should you respect a man that's not manly, that's not contributing to society, that's that that doesn't serve others, that doesn't fulfill his role? Hmm. Other than that, like, it means so much to us to be appreciated. like at least that for what we do for others, right? But even that we cannot get from women because they've been bamboozled to think a certain way, just disrupt the whole thing, everything that was beneficial for us, the family, the anchor, the safe haven for people, gone. And now everything is dysfunctional. Everyone is sad, depressed, doesn't have any place to go to recharge, to regain strength. And that can be cashed on. That's about it. Walk with truth, walk with power. Peace.